Hello, I'm Liz Lumley of Finextra, and we're here at EBA Day in Amsterdam. And today I'm speaking to Mark Buitenhek of ING, and we're going to talk about innovation in payments, which is always a really fun topic to talk about anywhere. So, what is kind of the future? What's going on with payments? What's the future of the payments industry right now?
The future of payments, there will always be payments. So that is the good news. The question is, who is going to do it? And what's happening right now with changes in technology, customer needs, regulation on the one hand, and on the other hand, still a spectacular market growth. There's a fantastic future for payments and also for payments innovation. We are now in a time where technology is offering possibilities that are beyond our imagination. And I'm not just talking about instant payments, but I'm talking about all these new kinds of developments with new people and new entrants in the market. I think it's a fantastic time to live in, to be honest.
I mean, innovation is one of those words that gets used frequently, but what does innovation really mean? How will it impact the payments world?
Well, there are some people that say innovation, true innovation is about disruption, completely changing the business model. My opinion that there's innovation is basically in everything, in the way we operate, in the way we do our IT, in the way we deal with our people. But as a matter of fact, I think what technology now offers to do with payments, that is really changing the way we're doing business on the one hand, and on the other hand, regulation is offering opportunities for new entrants to come in the market. And I think that combination that will change the payment landscape from 24/7 instant payments to doing payments seamlessly, walking into a shop where an iBeacon tracks you and you only say, I have to pay or I want to pay, and it's done. And it's those kind of innovations that are going to shake the world and are going to shake the payments industry, the current payments industry, bring on new entrants, but also I think there's a huge opportunity for banks, what they've built on in the past decades, to make that step to the future. So innovation ranges from everything to using your voice, to using biometrics, but also to combine it with new elements. But it will still be payments, but then done in a completely different way.
So I'm glad you mentioned, disruption and the new entrants to the market. Are the new entrants to the payments market an opportunity for banks, or is it disruption?
I think it's an opportunity, because we have been working on payments, working from the inside out to payments, and I think what the new entrants add are, let's say, a different perspective on what we've been doing. By combining what we know about the robustness and about the things that no one really knows about clearing layers and settlement layers, etc., with their insights on how to be as customer-centric as possible from the different angles that they're seeing. If we can do that, we can really optimize things. And talking about completely different new entrants, then you talk about, for instance, blockchain technology. Yeah, that is one of the fascinating elements that we're could reshape possibly the payments industry. There are still some uncertainties about trust and about the ability. There's a lot of discussion around currency, etc. But talking about a fundamental change, moving from a hub perspective, a hubby way of working, to a decentralized ledger, that's spectacular and very hard to grasp in that sense. But to be honest, I think what I said, I mean it. Fantastic and fascinating times. And by adding what the new entrants are doing with the capabilities in the network that we have, that might be a fantastic combination.